Methanogens belong to option A, dinoflagellates. It is incorrect because dinoflagellates are a group of protists and that are usually found in aquatic environments and they are not involved in methane production. Option B, slime molds. It is also incorrect because slime molds are also a type of protist and they are not involved in methane production. Option C, eubacteria. Eubacteria, also known as true bacteria, are large group of bacteria, but methanogens are not a part of this group. Option D, archibacteria. Now, methanogens are a group of microorganisms that belong to the domain archibacteria. These organisms produce methane as a metabolic byproduct and they are often found in the anaerobic environments such as in the guts of animals or in the swamps. Hence, it is the correct option.